Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change phone number on Meesho. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Meesho application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you download the Meesho application? Now, you can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Meesho and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page where you'll be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Meesho. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change phone number on Meesho. Now, for you to change the phone number on Meesho, it means you have to sign in. Now, I'm not signed in yet because my account has not been approved and I have a couple of restrictions. But if you do not have restrictions and you're already signed in, here is how you can change your phone number. From this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing Data's features. You'll see Home, Categories, My Others, Help, and Account. Now go ahead and click on Account and it takes you right into this window. Now this window, you have My Payments category, My Activity, Others. Now the first category you're going to find right here once you're signing is your account category, and you're going to see your picture. Of course, you can see your profile picture at the top corner of the screen. So go ahead and click on your profile picture. Now I cannot click on my profile picture because I'm not signed in yet, but from here, click on your profile picture, and once you click on profile picture, it's going to take you into another window. In that window, you're going to see your profile information that are editable. So go ahead and look for phone number and edit your phone number from there. And once you do that, just go ahead and hit save and your phone number is going to be changed. That's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.